These are visuals coming in from the Indira Gandhi Medical College in Shimla. It's alleged that the doctor misbehaved with the patient first and later physically assaulted the patient. All of that caught on camera. According to the information, the patient had come to the hospital for an endoscopy. After the procedure, he reportedly faced breathing difficulties and lay down on a bed in another ward. During this time, an argument broke out with the doctor, which allegedly escalated into physical assault. A video of the incident has gone viral on social media. The attendants of the patient have demanded strict action from the hospital administration and are also preparing to lodge a complaint with the police against the doctor. However, no official statement has been issued. Let's go across to Poonam for more on this. Poonam, what happened?
Yeah, a brawl broke out between a doctor and a patient at IGMC Shimla, and the patient who was lying on a bed, he kicked the doctor, and in video it can be seen that the doctor retaliated and with punches. The scuffle was captured on camera and the video goes viral. And there was the patient said that patient name is Arjun Pawar, and he claims that the doctor verbally abused and beat him after he lay on a bed. He was laying on a bed, and he had come to the hospital. He had his endoscopy was done, and after endoscopy he had a breathing problem. After having a breathing problem, he laid on a bed, and after that the doctor verbally abused him. And when the patient said that you can't use such a language with me, then the doctor started beating him. And he also said that after that the relatives of the patient, they were demanding they gathered outside the IGMC hospital and they demanded to suspend the doctor. Now the MS of the hospital, Dr. Rao, he said that investigation, committee has been made and the investigation is going on. After that, whoever is found, if the doctor is found guilty, after the report, if the doctor is found guilty, the action will be taken against the doctor.
All right, Poonam, thank you very much for getting us the details.